Hello everyone, welcome to Analytical Classes Excel tutorials from beginners to advanced level. So today's topic is how to calculate the present value. So what is present value? It is a function in Excel which is used to calculate the present value of an investment or loan based on a constant interest rate and a series of future payments. It is often used in financial modeling to determine how much a series of cash flow is worth in today's term. Means if we are depositing some amount every month or every period at certain rate for certain time period, then how much is the present value, how much is the investment is worth in today's terms. So this is calculated in present value. The formula is like this, which is having rate, N per PMT, FV and time. So the rate is the interest rate which is charged monthly, yearly, quarterly. N per is the total number of payments. PMT is the payment which is made each period. FV is optional. If you want to calculate the present value of some lump sum amount or some amount invested, then you can put it, otherwise it is zero in this case. Type, when payments are paid at the end of the period, it is written as 0. If the payments are paid in the beginning of the period, it is written as 1. So let's jump to the practical example. So in this case, we are calculating present value for a loan for X monthly payment at certain rate for certain time period. So the monthly payment is 500, rate is 5% per annum, time period is 10 years. So rate and time period are on yearly basis while the payment is in monthly basis. And payments are made at the end of each month. So for calculating the present value, we will be going to using the PV formula. Our rate is 5%, which is yearly basis, but we have to calculate it on the monthly basis since our payment is in monthly basis. So dividing it by 12, N per is 10, which we have to calculate in monthly basis. So multiplying it by 12, PMT is 500. So taking PMT as 500, FV is 0 in this case, and type 0 for the end of each month. So doing it all, closing the parenthesis and pressing the enter will give us 47,140.68. So this is the present value for a loan which is having monthly payment EMI as 500 with 5% rate and 10 years of time period. So some additional point about the PV is use a negative sign for the payment PMT to indicate outgoing cash flows so that the present value amount which you get after all the calculations should be in positive. And PV function is highly used for loan analysis, investment appraisals, financial planning. Suppose we want to calculate that if we are investing this much and if we are paying this much for a loan, what is the present value of that loan? How much we have paid? How much is the today's value if we break the FDs, if we break the mutual funds, what will be the present value? So for all that, PV function is used. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and follow the channel on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.